Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Today we're unlocking a super skill that is helpful to you and to others. We're learning about kindness and how to practice it. Kindness truly makes you shine, helps others, and makes the world a brighter place. Are you ready to learn? Let's dive right into this video. What is kindness? Kindness means choosing to do something that is good, helpful, or caring for someone else, even when you don't have to. Kindness is more than just a feeling, it is an action. It can be your word, your smile, your time, your help, and even your understanding. To offer kindness is to give what makes someone else feels valued, supported, or important. Kindness is important because it helps you feel good, makes other people feel seen, respected, and accepted. It helps to build stronger friendships and relationships, and it creates a peaceful, kinder world. Kindness is a gift. It costs nothing but changes everything. You can practice kindness in your words, your actions, and in your body language. To practice kindness, you need to be intentional. So you have to stop and notice, think, and then you act. Kindness is not only for easy moments. It matters when you feel tired, when you are sad, unhappy, or frustrated, when you disagree with someone, or when someone has made a mistake. Choosing kindness in hard times shows emotional intelligence and maturity. So instead of laughing at a mistake, offer to help. Instead of yelling, speak calmly. Instead of ignoring someone, include them. You must also offer kindness to yourself. Treat yourself gently, rest when you are tired, forgive yourself for mistakes, and celebrate your efforts. So, my dear emotionally intelligent ones, kindness is a superpower. Use it every day. Let's practice kindness now by liking this video, putting kind words in the comments, sharing with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.